Hello, good morning friends. Welcome back to your favorite channel Code Digest. Today in this video we will learn Python file handling in 1 minute. So let's start. File handling is an important part of any web application. Python has several functions for creating, reading, updating and deleting the files. The key function for working with the files in Python is the open function. The open function takes two parameters, that is file name and mode. There are four different modes for opening a file. Read mode represented by character R opens a file for reading. Append mode represented by character A opens a file for appending. Write mode represented by character W opens a file for writing, and create mode represented by character X to create a specified file. You can also specify if the file should be handled as a binary or a text mode using T for text and B for binary mode. By default, the read method returns the whole text, but you can also specify how many characters you want to return. You can also return one line by using a readline method. Always close the file using close method once you are done with it. To delete a file, you must import a OS module
and run its os.remove function. To delete an entire folder, use os.rmdir method.